Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name's Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. Today is day one, because technically I'm filming this is still December 1st. Will this be up in time to make it for December 31st? Probably not, but it's still what I wanted to do for December's first video. I was planning on going live. That just didn't work out, so it's fine. Ignore my tree. It had a rough life in storage, and I haven't pulled out all my decorations to find out where all its ornaments fell to. So it's fine. And there's the Santa behind me. But I decided to do Vlogmas this year, which is, 25 days of videos, usually specific to your channel, whatever kind of videos you normally do. They can be vlogged. They don't have to be vlogged. So we're going with not have to be vlogged, but somewhat, hopefully, Christmassy themed a little bit, or at least I'm gonna dress up like it's Christmas. There we go. Like day 4 is gonna be the mini controversy palette, and I know I meant to have it up a couple weeks ago. My back went out, in case y'all are wondering. Yeah, I had for about 2 weeks there. I was walking like a grandma, couldn't bend over, had spasms and like all up and down my thigh and back, and it was a lot. It was bad. It finally like decided to mostly clear up Wednesday before Thanksgiving, and then little tinges, put a little more ice on. Thursday I was pretty good all day. I didn't do Black Friday shopping because I didn't want to I didn't really need to, and I didn't want to aggravate my back or anything. So yeah, and I just took it easy. So yeah, but it took about 2 weeks for that to go, and that's where I've been. So anyway. I have something I meant to do. I don't have a lick of makeup on my face anymore, except for some, that's either from eyeliner or mascara that's still like just lingering. But I meant to do the ABH Volume 2 Norvina palette, or Pro Pigment palette Volume 2, which, I love these. These are vegan. I'm so glad she decided to do her own line, which is supposed to be like more geared toward makeup artists and whatnot, Though I usually refer to makeup enthusiasts because I'm not like painting anybody else's face, and I'm not like overly dressing my face all the time. I do Halloween, but I don't do these crazy eye looks, mainly because I can't fit them on my eyeball, or I haven't developed the technique to fit them on my small little hooded eyes. One day I would love to be as creative as like Rocio. I don't even know how to pronounce his name. Rocio, the one who does the rainbows all the time on her eyelids, or Sadie Jerez, or Girl FX, all those markets, all them. But I'm not. But anyway, I was going to play with this, and I was like, what? I think I haven't looked at this in a hot minute. I haven't even used it. I think did I swatch it? No, I didn't. Yeah, I swatched it. Looks like, yeah, it looks like I swatched it, but I hadn't used it. Yeah, okay, there's enough colors. I should be able to create some kind of Christmassy look. Not an expensive one. But there are enough greens in here. I can create a green look at the very least. We'll see about whether it becomes Christmas or not. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm just kind of looking at it right now, and I'm like, we'll figure out something. I'm just going to kind of dive on in and do it. And I'm going to use the... Ooh, don't pinch your finger on that ABH because it's magnetized. Ow. I'm going to use the P. Louise base, and I think this is Rumor 1.0. I pinched my finger. I'm going to have a bruise there. That's awesome. Man, it will block out almost everything. So, make sure it's all the way up. You really don't need a lot of this stuff. Like, even if I took a brush, like, you don't need a lot of this stuff. And this was actually to me by Summer. Like a year ago. Maybe not a year. Maybe a year ago. It's been a while. When she ordered from P. Louise, she added this for me. Me, I hate paying for shipping. And this is the only thing I wanted to order. I like them. I think they're all vegan. I think all their color bases are vegan too. Because I'm sort of interested in trying. I would definitely apply this with a brush and not my finger though, because my finger is too big for my eyeball. Which is why it's like getting on here. Now she used this religiously. I tried it a couple times and then I lost it. Which, you know, story of my life, I will lose everything. And she had a problem with her oils coming through on her eyes, and she doesn't really have, or it was creasing. I don't think she really has oily eyelid. But I had tried just a dab of Milani and just a dab of this. I didn't bring it up all the way because, you know, it's at work, so I just wanted to see how the vibrancy was just moving on my lid. Anyway, just to know that she had that problem. Into B1. Sorry, I'm gonna blind y'all. This is B1. I just have it flipped upside down. That's B1. Light little spring green going on. Now this space is extremely tacky. You can blend, but it's like almost wanting to be set, so you might want to set it beforehand. And I'm just gonna go and blend and see. B3, which is just a couple down from it. I really don't know what kind of difference it's going to make. It's very close to B1 over here, but we're gonna go in it anyway. It's more green. I hope to come up with or recreate some creative Christmas looks. Like people always do the ornaments. I like the one with like the little Grinch's hand. I don't know if I can get that precise with it. Like one day I'm gonna have to find those single hair brushes, but you know, something like that. A3, which is a shimmer. Going with it dry just to see how it is. It's really dense, flat SL Miss Glam brush. So I'm gonna put it like right here, there, where I'm just like testing the opacity and see how well it sticks because it's like a shimmer with some glitter up in there. Okay. Oh, it looks good, but unable to really make a cut crease because it's decently opaque on where like there's no color. I'm probably going to want to wet my brush to really go over the green that's below my crease and onto my lid better. Just to make it show up better. How good it'll look, but I've been dying to try that color, like really try it out. So it's gonna be my middle. It doesn't look like it like really gets any on the brush. It's so glittery. I'm just gonna wet it and get back in and see what happens. Oh, look, because it like shifts. It's a shifter. It's pretty. E3, which is like the darkest green in this palette. my A2, which is the lemon yellow, but not, there's like one more goldenrod, but this is like the lemon yellow. I'm going to take this slanted Luxie brush and I'm going to go into, I used B3, did I? A little bit of B3, and then I'm going to transition probably to E3. Darken up just a little bit more on the very edge of it. And it saves it from being a total St. Patty's Day look. So I'm going to put some silver glitter right there. Let's do a confetti topper mess, whatever it is. So, yeah. So to add a little bit more sparkle to make it more Christmassy. So we have a visitor. It's Boo. Yeah, my Boo. Love you, Boo. Uber Christmassy. Who doesn't want Uber Christmassy? This is Smashbox, I think. I don't really know. Yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles. Sure, tune in for the rest of Vlogmas. I will do it. I will have it. Almost did 31 days of Halloween. I had 26. I told y'all I wasn't going to stress over having everyone done. But I will do 25 days of Christmas. One way or the other.